Hello, I'm Tristan, and thanks for stopping by my learning hub. Today we are going to be looking at geometry. Welcome back. Now we will be looking at the unit of radians. So first, what is a radian? Well, if I draw a diagram, or a diagram in the form of a circle, okay, let's make it a bit darker. And so here's the circle. And so a radian, if I put the center here, a radian would be the angle here. So this is 1 radian, or 1 rad, which is RAD stands for radians. So if this side is 1 unit long, this side is 1 unit long, and the arc from there to there is 1 unit long as well. So a radian is this angle where the radius of the circle is 1 unit long, and the length of the arc is 1 unit long as well. I should write unit in. So now let's think at this a bit. So the circumference of the circle, well, of any circle, is 2 pi r, or 2 pi times the radius. And in this circle, it is 2 pi, and remember, the radius of the circle is 1, so 2 pi times 1, which is equal to 2 pi. So the circumference, so if I draw a circle, that the length of the whole circle, or the side of the circle, in inverted commas, is 2 pi. So what does this mean? Well, this means that you can fit 2 pi of these pieces in the whole circle, where this angle is 1 radian. So that means that the angle in the whole circle here, so the whole bit there, is 2 pi. And that is equal to 2 pi radians, which is equal to 360 degrees. And this is a very important statement, as this is how we convert radians into degrees and degrees into radians. Oops. If 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees, that means 1 pi, or pi radians, is equal to 360 divided by 2, which is 180 degrees. And now we could get 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees over 57.3. Sorry, over pi is equal to 57.3 degrees, or about 57.3, because pi is not a whole number. And 1 degree would be equal to pi over 180 radians, which is approximately 0.0175 radians. So now let's do an example, keeping in mind that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So first of all, let's try converting 40 degrees into radians. So 40 degrees is equal to, well, 1 radian, which is pi over 180. Sorry, 1 degree, which is pi over 180 radians, times 40, because there's 40 degrees. And units are very important here because we are switching from 1 unit to another unit. And this is equal to, if we simplify this, we get 2 over 9 pi, which is approximately 45 degrees. Sorry, nope, it's 0.698 radians. And this is supposed to have a radian, so it's 2 over 9 pi radians, or approximately 0.698 radians. So now let's rub everything out. And now let's do another example. And in this example, we will be switching radians to degrees. So let's try 1 over 4 pi radians is equal to, well, 1 radian is equal to 180 over pi degrees. And if we multiply this by 1 over 4 pi, because there are 1 over 4 pi radians, and this is in degrees, of course, because we're switching from radians to degrees. And when we evaluate this and cancels the pi out and 180 divided by 4, we get a nice round 45 degrees. So 1 over 4 pi is 45 degrees, and that's a 5. So in future episodes, we'll do more examples of radians and how to use a calculator and how to switch it to radians. But for now, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.